Hi, my name is Vlad. I'm here with Dick Hanna Dealerships. I'm a team service manager at our service department here. If you're at home and your check engine light is on, or your car just doesn't start, or it does and it runs rough, you could always give us a call at Dick Hanna Dealership Service Department. You know, if you need to talk to somebody, we're here for you. We have plenty of different people come in here with different essential jobs. We had a nurse come in with a flat tire the other day. We make sure we maintain social distancing, put on steering wheel covers for our customers, wipe down their shifters, and make sure that they feel comfortable with people getting in and out of their vehicle. If you need help, you can always contact this Dick Hanna Service Department.
Dick Hanna Service Stars. Nice people at your service.